What we knew was that there were a lot of law enforcement agencies that had sexual assault kits that needed to be tested.
What's been happening is law enforcement agencies are finding that they have large amounts of unsubmitted sexual assault kits. And these kits will eventually, because of new advances in DNA technology, make it into the laboratory.
25 years ago, you needed wildly large amounts of DNA to get a profile than you need today. One of the things that has changed most dramatically is since roughly 2000, we've been able to do DNA typing on really minute quantities of evidence.
And this influx of kits into the laboratory will possibly either cause some disruption or interrupt the flow of current evidence in the laboratory.
The reality of this situation is that there are decisions that have to be made at a certain point. And testing every single kit that's been collected over the past 20 or 25 years at the same time as processing evidence that's collected from crime scenes on a daily basis, there becomes a huge challenge. And the other thing that a lot of people don't realize is the time intensity of processing a sexual assault kit in a laboratory.
I think a lot of people watch television programs and they get an idea that you put the swab in an instrument and out pops a DNA profile. And there are a lot more steps to that. It's a lot more complicated than that. Over the years, we've definitely made vast improvements to the DNA procedure. It used to take weeks and weeks to perform a DNA analysis, and it's much quicker than that, but it's not as quick as you see on TV.
The advances in technology, the advances in DNA testing, have led us to a point where we now understand the value of DNA evidence. This was not something that was completely recognized a decade or 2 decades ago. So what that has led law enforcement agencies to is to really realize this potential of this untested evidence that remains in law enforcement agencies all over the country.